do that.
There are 1,000%.
Some people have been so evil that went on 475.
Right.
Like, so all that to say, I appreciate it. Thank you.
Anytime.
All right. 14A District Court for County of Washington, State of Michigan. Session beyond.
You may be seated. Court does call the case. People versus Benelli Cruz.
Good morning, Judge Kyle Bedell, on behalf of Ms. Cruz. Ms. Cruz, please state your name for the, sorry, Judge. This came from 14A2. Please state your name for the record.
He told you.
I correct.
I know.
Set you up for failure.
No, and you know what? I saw him. He was going to take you down. He was, because you weren't listening, but that's okay. We stopped. Go ahead.
Good morning,
Judge.
Benelli Cruz.
Judge, did review the pre-sentence investigation report. At this time, we have no additions, deletions, corrections, and ask that the court file the recommendation of credit for time served.
Ms. Cruz, anything you'd like to tell the court before I impose sentence?
That I learned my lesson with my punishment, and no matter like how much people bother me, like it's on me, like how I respond. And I learned a lot. I really did. I was in max for like 2 months. It was necessary, a lot of growth. Truly. Yeah, that's it.
All right. Sentence of the court, $125 statutory fee, 93 days in jail, credit 93 served. Good luck to you, Ms. Cruz. All right. And if I may take a matter of personal privilege before you get back trap, I want to say congratulations to you on the selection.
Oh.
And no, I sincerely mean it. And the great thing is that Judge Barr will be well served, sir. So thank you. All right. Court calls the case. People versus Nicholas Chalmers.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf of Mr. Chalmers. Your Honor, I don't believe Mr. Chalmers was here. It did speak yesterday.
There are 3 people out there. What were you expecting? What? I know. They're all from your office. Did you expect something else?
I was hoping.
Apparently, I don't. Go ahead. Never mind.
Last minute, you make an appearance. No worries. So he's not done. So.
Teresa Clare on behalf of probation. Your Honor, given that Mr. Chalmers is not present for today's violation of probation hearing and his non-compliance with probation is requesting a bench warrant.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond is set in the amount of $10,000. I'll give a 10% privilege. That warrant will issue immediately. Court calls case. People versus Jay Dingman.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Mr. Dingman, who stands to my right. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Jay Dingman.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Today's the date and time set for sentencing. Mr. Dingman and I have reviewed the PSIR together, and we have no material corrections. And we would respectfully request that the court adopt probation sentencing recommendation. Thank you, Your Honor.
Sir, anything you want to say before I impose sentence?
No.
$125 statutory fees, 81 days in jail, credit 81 served.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. What's Serge doing in here? Why'd she come in here?
You need the last one?
Wow. 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 I know. I just said something and she just fronted me. All right. It's okay. You got cuffs and a taser, right? Okay. All right. We'll see if she still has stuff to say later. Court calls the case. People versus Alex Eber.
This is a violation of probation hearings.
No attorney. No. Go ahead.
Teresa Clare on behalf of probation. Your Honor, I do not believe the Weaver is present for today's violation of probation hearing, given his non-compliance with probation and his failure to appear today, requesting a bench warrant.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond will be set in the amount of $25,000. I'll give a 10% privilege on that. That warrant will issue immediately. Thank you. Case People versus Jacqueline Murray.
Good morning, Judge Carbonell, on behalf of Ms. Murray in case ending in 1360.
Really?
I did it
Really?
again, Judge. I made a point.
Really?
Did not do it.
Parenting went stood
Yeah.
there.
I figured she's laying the block
Really?
down for me, you know. I was trying to keep my distance from Agent Pilar today, Judge.
Wow. All right, go ahead.
Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Ms. Murray on the other case. Murray, state your name for the record, please.
Jacqueline Murray.
Thank you.
Judge, so on sentencing in case number, for case number 191-1360, the recommendation is for mandatory minimum fines and costs with a credit for time served. We ask that the court follow that recommendation. We have nothing to add or change in the terms of the PSI report.
Same.
And Teresa Clara.
She's a woman of few words. Go ahead.
And Teresa Clara on behalf of probation. Your Honor, I just want to make it known to the court that Ms. Murray was sentenced at another court on another matter to jail time. And I believe that she is being allowed to be released to treatment if something is found. So the recommendation in both of these cases, I didn't want to hold her up from that happening.
Okay. Anything you want to say before I impose sentence?
No,
No?
no.
On the case ending in 1163, it's a sentence of the court, $125 statutory fee, 151 days in jail, credit 151 served. On the other case, $125 statutory fee, 151 days in jail, credit 151 served. Thank you. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Case people versus Dayani Huts.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Hudspeth.
Again? No, go ahead.
No, again, well, I did try to make contact with Ms. Phone was out of service and his email bounced back to me. So I was not able to have contact with him prior to today to remind him or advise him of this court date. For that reason, I asked for an adjournment so I can possibly send the letter.
And Teresa Clara on behalf of probation. Your Honor, Mr. Hudspeth is before the court for a violation of probation. He is not compliant with the terms ordered by the court. Probation makes due diligence to try to reach out to defendants prior to hearings to get them into compliance. He was non-responsive to me at that time, given that he is also not here for probation requesting bench warrant.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear, bond 10,000, 10% privilege on that. Court does call the case People versus Abdul Scott.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Mr. Scott, who stands to my right. State your name for the record, sir.
Abdul Scott.
Thank you, Your Honor. Today is the date and time set for sentencing. Mr. Scott and I have had the opportunity to review the PSIR. We only have one correction, which it would be to the address that my client would be staying at. If Your Honor would prefer, I can just send that via written communication to the court. Outside of that, we have no material corrections to the PSIR and would ask for the court to adopt probation's recommendation. As to the fines and costs, my client is set for sentencing and anticipated to be released from the Washtenaw County Jail on the 10th on Friday. He has a sentencing in the 15th District Court. That being said, he is currently not employed. He's been in custody for 50 odd days. I would be respectfully requesting a payment plan as arranged by probation so that Mr. Scott can get out and get employment and get on his feet.
Sir, anything you want to say? Before
So currently right now, I have cancer and I had missed my cancer treatment back in July. So that was the reason why I couldn't come back. That's why I had missed my court date because I have lung cancer. So, but right now I'm currently hoping to currently get out and possibly get back on my feet and stuff like that. As far as work and possibly get back to the road and school and college and stuff like that. So that's what I was really hoping for too. And because I had missed a lot of court dates. No, I had missed a lot of time out of work due to being incarcerated and stuff like that here. I had got fired, so.
Your Honor, can counsel and I approach?
You may. To reflect, we've had a brief bench conference in this case. Sentence of the court, I'll place you on 12 months probation. You're to pay $555 fines and court costs, $360 probation oversight fees. That will be due by December 31st, 2025. There should be no use of alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal substance. You'll be subject to random testing as requested by probation. You are to complete the Beyond Barriers program or a comparable program. You're to begin and maintain employment with proof to probation. You're to complete 25 hours of community service. You're to contact probation within 24 hours of your release and report then as directed by probation. I'll order 365 days in jail, credit 57, serve, the balance is suspended. Thank you.
Your Honor.
Court does call the case, People versus Shante overall.
Public Defender Natalie Kate on behalf of Mr. Overall. I don't have an explanation for his failure to appear. I have in the past, there was Mr. Overall, which he attended, and I had a phone number for him. I called that phone number and left a voicemail and got a return call from that phone number last week from a woman who said that the phone belonged to her 8-year-old son and not to call the number anymore. So I don't know what happened there, except for that Mr. Overall's number has clearly changed and or that is not his number anymore. I do not know him to be an 8-year-old child. That being said, I don't have an explanation for his failure to appear. I can say I don't have good contact information for him, Your Honor.
And Teresa Claire on behalf of probation, Your Honor, given that Mr. Overall was scheduled before this court for a violation hearing, he's not compliant with the terms of his probation and he is not present. Probation is requesting a bench warrant.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond $25,000, 10% criminal warrant will issue immediately.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court does call the case, People versus Legarian Thomas.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Thomas. Morning. Mr. Thomas, state your name for the record.
Legarian Thomas.
Thank you.
Your Honor, this is a show cause. Mr. Thomas is being held on a felony case before Your Honor. His PCC is scheduled for tomorrow. So I'd ask,
Show cause on fines and court costs.
yeah, I'd ask for a lengthy adjournment, given his felony charges.
What's the first date in January? Adjourn the matter January 14th, 2026, 9 a.m. All right.
All right, tomorrow.
Thank you. I just want to check something now. You realize he does have $100 bond on this case,
Oh,
but he's being held on the felony at this point.
correct, yeah.
I'm not gonna worry about it. We'll just leave it. Thank you, sir. Court does call the case, People versus Vincent Dunlap. What? She eating food? Hold on.
I'll share with
See
you.
that? Did you see that? She did? Okay, keep an eye on her. What is?
Time bar,
Oh, what flavor?
dark chocolate nuts and sea salt.
Oh, that's my favorite, right, Ann?
Like those.
I know. I saw the blue on it. I knew what it was.
That's good to know.
Mr. Bird. He is here.
Who, Berg?
Yeah. He stepped on it.
Good job.
He was here?
Yes.
Was the client here?
Uh,
Well, I'll pass it. And he's either gonna come back or wander for a while. Waiting on. Oh, there they are. Court does call the case of the People versus DeMarcus, Washington.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Washington. State your name for the record, please.
Marcus Washington.
Thank you.
Your Honor, Mr. Washington is also before Your Honor for a show cause. He is being held, I believe, on no bond before Judge Perry until at least the 27th of this month. So he'll be in custody for the next couple of weeks. I'd ask for an adjournment of the show cause.
Is that the only thing holding him now? Is
Yes, sir.
that?
Yeah.
And you see her on the 27th?
Yeah, it is.
Is there any, I mean, I realize I can't guarantee, is there any expectation as to?
I don't know. Do you think you're going to get out?
Yeah, I should get out on the 27th, back on probation.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you're on probation, you're locked up at this point,
Got
and
remanded.
you expect to go back on probation?
Yes, sir.
Then let's do this. I'll adjourn this then to January 14th, 2026, 9 a.m. Don't forget, okay? I'm gonna put it out of way soon. Maybe what you can do is get your stuff together. Good. You're welcome. All right, thank you. Why is she still here? Serps? Oh, isn't she supposed to?
For educational, Lola, Your Honor.
Pardon?
For educational purposes for my intern Lola, Your Honor.
Did she introduce me to Lola? She just threw that name out. I don't even know if that's her name. Because you can't trust her. She telling you, I don't think that's her intern. Because they told me they were giving her one. Because the last 4, she didn't treat right. That's what I heard. I'm just saying, it's rumor, but I don't know.
Those 3 interns I didn't know that I had, so it's interesting.
Wow. That's like I lost my children. Do we know where Mr. Bird is?
Oh, we're fine.
Can you check Miss? Thank you, Miss Pate. See, Miss Pate is always so nice and orderly and everything.
That's ironic.
Perny didn't even bother to get up as she was putting that kind bar into her mouth. And services. So why is that your intern?
Ava is my intern.
Okay, hello Ava. And you make her get you stuff?
I know, it's really an intern.
This is wrong. This is so wrong. This is like, that's intern abuse.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Wow.
Live in the flesh.
They told me you were here.
Oh, yeah.
I look so happy. Let's see what's this. Thank you, Ann.
Yes, Your Honor. Brandon Bird on behalf.
Let me call the case.
Oh, I thought.
People versus Vincent Dunlap.
Yes, Your Honor. Brandon Bird on behalf of Vincent Dunlap. I don't have any excuses. I tried giving him.
I have a message.
Okay.
From your client.
Well, what does it say?
You really want to know?
Please.
It says, he called, says he will be running late to his hearing and that he's currently on his way. And that came into us at 10:35. So about 10 minutes ago.
9.
He's in Ipsy. He should be here.
Okay. There's no problem. I'll be waiting on him.
You want me to pass it?
If you please could, Your Honor. Pretty please.
For you, sir, anything.
I appreciate it.
I will pass it. If he doesn't show up, what was that one? Damn. You know how it works.
Sure, I got you.
All right. They can remain seated.
Let's turn it off.
What?
Do you want us to turn it off?
You want me to wait till I say something, or are you just rushing me? Never mind. Court stands in recess.